Me and my classmates have been interviewing talented young sportsmen and researching into participation of teens and young adults in the Olympics and Paralympics.
The interviews featured show students and ex-students who are expected to go far and possibly participate in future Olympic or Paralympic Games. Featured in the interviews are Georgie Bullen, an ex-student who is going to compete in the 2012 Paralympics, and Dan, a diver at the school who is expected to go far and possibly participate in the Olympics.
Hi, I'm George. We're about to interview Georgie Bullen, ex-student at our college, about goalball. Goalball is a Paralympic sport and she's in goalball because of her partial sight.
What inspired you to take up goalball?
The way I actually got into goalball was through a talent ID day where loads of people with different disabilities went along and were tested, like sprinting and weighed, which I hated. And I was quite amazed to hear that I was called back, and I thought that'd be the next round to do more testing, and it turned out that it was just me with the goalball team, but ever since then I've been part of it.
What would be your ultimate goal for your sporting career?
My ultimate goal would probably be to be on the first lineup for 2012 and to win a medal, obviously, hopefully gold.
Has anyone particularly been your inspiration during your career in sport?
I think when I first started goalball, it would actually be my teammate Emily, because although she's not with the goalball team at the moment, she really helped me feel part of it because I was a lot younger than the rest of the team, and she tried to help me, she tried to coach me through things, and when I thought I was doing rubbish, she told me to stop being stupid, basically. And no, she was an amazing player.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hi, I'm here to interview Dan about his achievements and hopes in diving.
How did you get into diving?
I went for a swimming lesson at Parkside Pool and I stayed after and I liked the look of it, so I did a session and I liked it ever since.
What's been your biggest achievement in diving?
I won a bronze last year at the National Championships and I won 2 silvers the year before.
How often a week do you dive?
Yeah, I dive every day and sometimes the weekends it's like a 3-day competition, so it could be all weekend.
Where's the furthest you've ever had to travel for a diving competition?
I've travelled for a competition at Barcelona, that's probably been the furthest, but I've been to a diving camp at America.